Today I'm going to be installing Percona database on Kubernetes using OpenEBS container attached storage. So the first thing that we want to do is actually install OpenEBS itself, and that can be done via Helm. Now that OpenEBS is installed, the next thing we need to do is set up the CStore pool. In the OpenEBS documentation for deploying Percona, there's actually an example of how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and use that spec file right now. Next, we need to create the storage class. There's also a spec file for that as an example that's in the documentation, so we'll use this too. With both of those things done, the next thing we need to do is deploy Percona, and that can be done via Helm. With the application deployed, we next want to move over and connect our cluster over to Maya Online. So if you go to mayaonline.io and you log in with your GitHub credentials, on the left-hand side, you'll see clusters. Go ahead and click on that. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Connect a New Cluster. Go ahead and give your cluster a name. Click Connect. Then copy that kubectl command and run it against your cluster. Now we just wait a few moments for our cluster to initially report into Maya Online. Our cluster is now connected to Maya Online, and we're going to give it a moment for the information to start trickling in and showing up on the dashboard. Now that data is starting to trickle into the dashboard, let's go over to the topology pane and take a look at our cluster. And here we can see the Percona pod that's been deployed, the volume, and all of the replicas that are there.